What is going on, guys? It's Aaron with Lansing Lawn Service. Today I have got a major cleanup to do. I just got finished with one. It was very simple. Now this one is not so simple. We have got just leaves everywhere. This is one of my regular customers. But leaves last year here in Michigan dropped super late. And that is why we've got all these leaves going on. He gets a lot of sticks. And so what I'm going to do, we're going to blow out all the beds. We are going to take a weed whacker and just whip down all of these plants and growth. We're going to clean things up. We're going to just get it looking really nice for them. This is the worst of it here. We're going to blow out all of these beds, get it all cleaned up. Got a lot of leaves along the fence line here. This is a big problem. Again, we're just going to trim it down with a trimmer and do it because a lot of these have really deep roots. It's been like this for a long time, and so I just trim it down. We're going to blow all that in that flower bed back towards the back. Then all the leaves are just going to get mulched up with the mower. So that is what we've got going on today. Let's get at it. Okay, guys. So I made a mistake. I did not bring my weed eater today. So I can't really cut down the flower beds, but I did blow everything out. I'm going to mulch up the leaves today anyway. So I've got the leaves blown out of the beds as good as I can. They'll get blown out again once I get all the stuff weed eated down. But we're going to take on the leaves today. Since I'm here, I'll do the majority of the lawn today, and then I will come back at a later date, trim some of these trees back so they're not touching the house, things like that. Trim some of the rose bushes. He has a lot of dead rose bushes because it just wasn't cared for a long time. So we're gonna take care of that. As you can see, it's all blown out, looking nice already. So I'm gonna get this thing together and we are going to mulch up these leaves. So let's get at it. Alright guys, it's all mulched up, looking good. I'm going to blow all this stuff off, blow it back here. We're going to blow this fence line because I just can't get close enough to it. Other than that, we are pretty much done. I am loving the Gravely Pro Stance 52. That just has regular high lift blades on it right now. I've just purchased some gator blades today. I'm going to put those on when I get home. I'm also going to be purchasing a chute blocker for it, because this would have taken a lot less time with a chute blocker. So I've got to do this yet, and that over there on the hill. But other than that, guys, I am done. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you got some ideas from it that you can do with your own business and your cleanups. It doesn't have to be made hard, guys. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and I will see you when I get some gator blades on that mower.